WordPress user private profile feature. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the WordPress user private profile feature. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not offer this feature. With Youzify, your members can lock their profile and their activities, so only friends can see them. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel settings, profile settings, and general settings. And then, enable allow private profiles settings. We will test it now. Go to the account settings page and navigate to account privacy menu. And then enable private account and save. Now I will log in with another account. And then, go to the account the profile already set as private. And here it is, you will see the account already set as private. And I cannot see the information and activities. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.